Hey guys, I'm back. I'm just going to do a quick video today on the Chat GPT extension to allow you to search the web for newer events. So most of you know that Chat GPT can only get you information up to 2021. This feature is going to allow you to browse a website for anything in the last day, hour, whatever it may be, and I'm just going to show you how it's done. And this is good if you're a writer or a content creator and you need to find references on what you're speaking of. This is something that you could utilize to do so. Here we go. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab, go to your extensions. Right under your extensions, you're just going to come on this left side and you're going to open the web store, excuse me. Right on this hand side, you're going to type in just like that, WebChatGPT, and hit enter. Right, it's the first one that comes up. It's that top option here with the 4 stars, 74 productivity. It's that 1 star that got deducted is probably from users that do not know what the capability is of this and what its use is for, and they just don't know what the hell they're doing. But let's go ahead and add it to Chrome. Continue it. Add extension. Then here's ChatGPT will refresh, and down here you will see the new toolbar that you get. So once this is activated here, you are now searching the web. You can select how many results you want it to pull. We're going to leave that at default. Anytime, past day, anything today, this week, this month, or this year. Since we are in 2023, it will be able to pick up any of that. And then any region, you can just select by region if you wanted to. Default prompt, you can just leave it as is, and you can also come in here and check these settings. Here is your prompt. If you need to make any changes, you can do that here, create a new one. So let's go ahead and show you how this is done. So let's say I need to get information, or I'm writing some content on a read firm. I will say, what are the advantages of investing in a firm today? And that's the answer. And what it's doing is it's searching Google for posts there and websites out there that contain the information that you're looking for, so that way you can get your references. See here, so it's going to come up with 3 options for you with the information that you're going to need. Down here is going to write what you're looking for, including your references. See how that works? Gives you the answer what you're looking for. However, it also gives you references in order that so that you could point back to. Pretty useful if you're a writer. Then let's say if you don't want to use this feature anymore, let's say if you want to go back to normal ChatGPT, all you got to do is deselect asking for the web. Then you can probably ask the same dang question. What are the advantages of using today? Let's see. I mean, you might remember what you talked about up top, so you might not get the same answer or the response we're looking for, but let's go ahead and see. I forgot to put a question mark, so I might be confused. Yeah, so it's remembering, what you have already communicated. But let's say if I copy this question, just stop generating. I'm done with you. And let's ask a new chat without search the web. Let's reiterate the question. Let's see if it really doesn't read between chats. So prove that it doesn't read between chats, and here's the information that you're getting just normally with ChatGPT. Obviously, you have to open up a new chat in order for it to test this. But pretty cool feature. Tell me what you think. This little feature is pretty quick, pretty simple to do. Yeah, let me know. Like the video if it helped you out.